Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Marty from Best RV down in Turlock, California. What I'm presenting, the most high-end brand on Keystone fifth wheel Alpine 3303CK. First, a beautiful painted cap with a nice logo, LED lights so you could see at night when you hitch up. Retroflex or Road Armor, same thing by Lippert. Kempin box. Alpine fifth wheel is a wide fifth wheel as well, more height in the bedroom and the slide out. So they give you a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. On the brand new 2026, they give you nice shocks and springs. So this particular unit has a nice suspension. There's 2 shock and a spring on both sides. So they get you less bouncing on that fifth wheel with also additional the braking system. This Alpine, the 3303CK, the 2026, is coming right now with the 440i. And now you're gonna say, what's mean 440i? 440i, it's mean it has 2 solar, each one is 220, which is, you see there's silver, and there's 2 of them. So 2 solar panel, 220 equal 440 watt solar panel already on the roof, and it come with a 2000 watt inverter, which is located right here. So you have 440, 2000, and 30 amp solar controller, and you could do this through a Bluetooth. And here's the QR code. Look how much this storage is, humongous storage. You have the shocks and LED lights, powers, and aluminum frame. Hookup for TV here. If I could put a TV here, there's a hookup right there, and I could control the 4 slide out from here as well inside, as well from the docking station. So there's 3 ways to control the slide out. The unit has a slide toppers. That's a big deal. You protect the roof of the slide out. This particular floor plan comes with a 2 power awning with LED light, as you see, one here, one there. Gel coated fiberglass, I could see my reflection. Frameless window, so no caulking, no water get in. I love those LED lights. Class 3 hitch with a 4-way plug in the back. Frameless window, exterior ladder. Now, everybody give you that heavy power cord. This unit has electric power cord. So on a switch, I could pull this cord out and run it. The unit already prepped for 3 cameras. 1 camera in the back and 1 camera in the driver's side, passenger side. Endless hot water heater. And then we have over here a beautiful docking stations with a water filtration system. Electric dump valve. This is a big deal for 2026. So no more that stupid handle. They get bent on you. You just push the switch and it's closed. Push the switch, close, you push the switch, close. And if you want to open it, you just open. Much easier, much cleaner, much more efficient. Outside showers for your dogs or cats or feet or hands. Full house water filtration system. As well, you could control a couple slide from here from outside. So this is another advantage for you on this unit. One piece docking stations. And the satellite cables on the top with the light. It is the other door for the passenger storage. 2 7-gallon tanks, we call them. Easy to get in, so I don't have to go underneath. Some of them is hard. This is very easy to get. Over here's the default pins, enter pins, and you could do like 5, 2, 4, 1. Okay, and then I could do my extend, retract, and then I could do my auto leveling. All the business right here. And then this one is already prepped for gen. So yeah, if you decide one day to have the 5.5 Onan LP generators, it's already set up. It has the box, it has everything. All I do, just put it in, the muffler, hook it up to the system, and you're in business. In the back of the unit, I love what they did, this nice molding with the LED light, flash LED light cabinet, so they don't waste the space. They break that opening. One thing they did, so you don't have to pay $100,000 like other fifth wheels. They already give it to you nice solid balances where hide your screws, and the shade and the roller shade is inside. There's 2 layers, daytime, and again everything inside this balances, nothing bouncing like the other brands. And then this is the daytime. So day and night roller shade. This is on the rear sofa. They give you end tables with cell phone charger, as you see right here. It has the new USB plug in this edge. I could feel it in my finger. So, and then you have a switch here for the light for the top if the lights bother you. 110 plug. So when you sit on this sofa, anyone sitting on these sides, they could use his laptop, his iPhone, no question asked, no problem. Now, this unit comes with a power theater seating. You need to be plugged in 110 and a nice theater seating facing this 50-inch smart TV. There's again cell phone charger here, and then there's a cup here for your remote control, and they're so comfy. That's number one. And again, there's a light for this light, you see here, and even with the dimmer. So if you want to watch a movie and the light is in your eyes, just lower it down. Now Alpine, because it's a high-end unit, they give you 3 ACs. So this unit, 4 slide out, 3 ACs, smart TV, modern fireplace. Now on this counter space is unbelievable, because if some lady, they tell me I need counter space, I tell her this is the unit. If you worry about your kitchen, this is the unit. This unit has kitchens, unbelievable, and you're not stuck behind the island. So you have this beautiful kitchen island. The sink they use on the Alpine is the same sink you buy from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's 100% residential. That's the reason why they have 3 layers of sink covers to cover the sink. High-rise faucet. Tinsel doors, 1, 2, 3. And then you have a trash can place for recycling as well disposable. Place for cooking pans, if you have like a big pot. And then you're gonna ask me, Niall, look, my wife, she need pantry. Well, guess what? That's her pantry right here. You have nice solid doors, and you have a solid pantry. Look, the nice finishing. You put your flowers, sugar, salt, cereals, you name it. And it's very roomy, and it's both sides. And these doors are self-closing. 30-inch microwave. And plus you have more room for your utensils. Silverware. Or if you want to use booze bottles, here's, and use this as a bar. And then this one has, I call it the appliances counter. Everybody asks me, well, wait a minute, what are you talking about appliances? This is new terminology. Well, I could put my espresso machine. I could put my toaster in the morning for my bagels. I could put my margarita mixer. It's right there. Big counters. And if you spill, you don't have to worry about, because solid service countertop. Going down over here, they give you the biggest refrigerator in the RV industry. It cannot be bigger than that. 4 doors, 2 doors for the fridge, and 2 doors for the freezer with the ice maker. Here's your ice maker. Voila. This is, who invented, he's smart because he was thinking, or maybe he had this in a fancy, or he lived in a fancy home and he put it in this fifth wheel. This is a nice kitchen hood, like what you see in the major fifth wheel, a major house, but it's on a shock. So you open it, voila, they don't waste that space. Some of them, they give you just piece of stainless steel going straight pipe and a kitchen hood, but this one, they give you shelf with the cabinet and the latching. There's a latching here, so nobody could open it. And you have the fan and the light, you see. And again, Alpine, high-end, they use residential stuff. They have the 4-burner stove and a big oven. And then you're gonna say, now what's this aisle in the middle? Well, again, because we are worried about the lady, she need a prepping area in this area. So rather make it connected and make it hard to walk around the fifth wheel, they give you this as a portable. Not a mean portable, you slide in, slide out. So I'm already in an out position. Give me a nice solid service countertop at the outside, prep area on the right side of the stove, and lift. So left area and right area and prepping. And again, more doors, more tinsel doors. And again, if this is in my way and I don't need it, simple and easy. Voila. Second, I put it in, put it out. On the dinette, across from this, I like what they did this year. Nice table, no legs, that's a big deal. How many knees I hit? My knees get hit by those table legs and it hurt. Nice door for my fancy silverware, utensils, napkins, and I could extend it if I'm bringing a bunch of people with me, we want to sit on a table and play cards. Seconds, again, easy, efficient. The ambiance and the wow look and the clean windows, Keystone Alpine they did in this unit. I love the valances. I cannot speak about it. This is nice, like a house. They give you like a base for your window. And then the recliners, look how beautiful it is. And again, daytime, if the sun bother you, put this. You still could see in the sun, get the heat. You want privacy, nobody see nothing inside? Bring it in. But look how clean, look how beautiful. You don't have that flimsy valances, crappy things. Nice, square, sharp, high-end stuff. Let's go to the bedroom. Entry assistant. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? This is a central vacuum. Come with it. Nice tip to get in with the lights. You could store your shoes. How many times you walk on a unit and you see switch here, switch here, switch here, switch here, switch here, switch there? This unit, it's clean. One control panel for all my switches and my fans, my ceilings, my awning 1, awning 2. You could see all the switches is right here. As well, I have control on my 3 ACs. It's telling me 97 temperature on the front. Made this. You can see I'm sweating. Auto generator prep. So as I said, this unit has the generator box, the prep for generators. They give you the switch. Just matter you buy it and we install it for you. Fantastic fan for the kitchen, and that's take the heat or the smell when you're cooking something has a smell. Now going to the bedroom. Look how roomy it is. I'm doing a full circle here. Why? Because they push the closet with the vanity. I mean the desk. I call it desk, or I call it vanity, with the TV on a slide. So this slide and that's a slide. It makes it so open inside here. King size bed with the nice wood paneling in the back, high end. The light on this unit is on LED with the dimmer. Perfect ambient if when you want to watch a movie at night, you and the wife. Amazing doors. I mean, I don't know what you're gonna put. A lot of shirts, t-shirts, socks, pillows, underwears, you name it. Still getting the big, I could walk inside the closet. I could sit on the shelf inside the closet if I want, just to show you how deep it is. And you have a shelf, you could put shoes, rack, especially the ladies, they take a lot of shoes. You could use it, your lady, she could use it for her shoes, hanging clothes. And outside, everybody asks me, I cannot prep my bed because it's too narrow. Look the width between the closet and the bed. And you could put your CPAP machine here, is no question asked, and all the equipments. Washer, dryer prep. For stackable, I could put a combo and I'll leave that shelf, or I could put a stackables and I don't need to put, it will take all the space. Look how beautiful this 2 vanity. It's a 2 vanity for his and her, a nice medicine cabinet for his and her, a mirror for his and her. Both of them, they could be doing their business, getting in the morning ready, shaving, makeup, whatever's. Fantastic fan. They have window, towel rack, nice porcelain toilets. And then this is what I like, is 1-piece showers with a nice glass door. No water go outside, everything is there. And 1 piece, no seam here, that's a big deal. And a nice seat, the lady could sit and do her business. Or if you're tired taking a shower, you could sit and take a showers. No water outside. Again, high end. And coming here, you don't have to yell, scream from now on, where's my towels? Because voila, there's a room for your towels. And then here's, you could put more storage as well. So this is the Alpine 3303CK. Come in and grab it and get the best deal and the best price in the country. We assure you the lowest price in the state of California, no hidden fees and free dealer prep. Coming in.